You know, there's a thin line between ukuba wealthy, ube financial freedom and financial independence, nokuba average, an average affording person just living from hand to mouth. There's just a fine and a thin line between the two. You know what that line is? What do you do with your spare time? Got that one? What do you do with your spare time? You know these people, average person, what do they do with their spare time? Time to chill, taking a holiday. Yeah, they're just cruising nicely, like they're celebrating now. After what they've done nothing to show. What they were doing, working hard for someone else. You know, because obviously most of them, they are employed. They are working hard for someone else. If you are employed, no matter how hard you work, who benefits from your hard work? It's not you. So with your spare time, you can build something concrete. You have 8 hours of sleep, 7 hours of work or more. So what do you do with the rest? Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo isiyona lelo cabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazili uyabona. You see? Yeah, you need to ask yourself that question because it's going to tell us the answer that you will get from that question will tell us whether at any given point in time are you going to be a financially independent person. You see, because there's someone who is financially independent and someone who is way financial liberation way above that. Yabo? Okay, because the video is not about that, but the video is about, because uma ngase ngikhuluma ngalo, it's a separate video because khona abantu aba below the poverty line, khona abantu aba affordayo nje, yabo, khona abantu abaphila from hand to mouth, khona abantu abazikhonayo and kuze kusala ukuthile futhi after that. Kube khona abantu abanakho beze behlephulele nabanye ngaphezulu, yabo. That is the financial liberation. Financial liberation is about you have your own things taken care of and you have a surplus for others to take from you. That is financial liberation. Financial independence, you can survive without going to work or work for someone else. You can survive. You are independent. That is a financial independence. So I'm not going to take that route for now, but I want to torchlight endleleni ophila ngayo. And phela success leaves clues. Yabo? Success leaves clues. Ukuthi umuntu owaba successful, waba financial independence and liberation, wayenzani? There are clues there that were left by success. Wenzani the spare time sakho. Talking about the spare time. The spare time, you uyalala, okay? Uyalala, uyasebenza. Nange spare time uyalala futhi. Uyalala 8 hours wakho or less. Uyasebenza from mhlambe 7 hours or 9 hours. In spare time, what do you do? You chill or uyalala futhi again. Even nayo ke poverty, I think it can leave clues. Uba poor, because poor is a permanent state. It's unlike being broke. Being broke is a temporal state. Being poor is a permanent state. But you can eradicate the poverty. But you cannot eradicate the poverty through the systems that led you to poverty. No. Or your grandparents or whoever in your lineage, they were there. you're following the same system, you're going to get the same results. The law of karma, it says history will always repeat itself unless changed. You started from ground zero. Your grandparents started from ground zero. Your father started from ground zero. You are going to start from ground zero. Your children are going to start from ground zero. Your children of your children will going to start from ground zero, because the system is the same. What do you do with your spare time? Yabona is spare time. Time is money, right? The spare time and the spare money as well. Those things are interchangeable. They are your sword to be able to fight this thing of being an average person. They are your sword. The spare time can equip yourself, learn a particular skill that you need to master. This will generate you income. Or you learn something, business opportunities, your spare time. You read the books, you sharpen your mind, you do this and that with your spare time. Or you take care of your side hustle. That is your spare time, right? Your weekends, your spare time. You invest in yourself. You read the books, you invest in your business, you take care, you know where you want to be. That shows. We don't even need to speculate whether you are going to be one of the top or not. It shows. It's just a matter of time if you do what I talk about, what I'm talking about. Spare money. What do you do with the spare money? You see, with these things, the difference doesn't lie in hard working in your work or this. It lies with what do you do with your spare money. After you have paid your bills, everything, spare money, what do you do with it? Are you going to celebrate, drink all day, sleeping sekpumila? What are you going to do? It's like people are celebrating. I don't know what they are celebrating. That with that spare money. But you know what they do? Those who are on the path of success, financial liberation and independence, what they do with the spare money? They take risks. You know what? Spare money, take it aside, and then you risk with it. Why? Abantu, they were told to be risk adverse. They have this fear of taking risks. Yeah, no risks, no Ferrari. Put it aside. You are not going to engage in an uncalculated risk, because with your spare time you gather information. You know what you are investing your money into. You have the information about it, because with your spare time you do go deeper and deeper acquiring knowledge, and then with your spare money you invest whatever venture. Mina nje human design chart reading, this one engizama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngisiza abantu ukuthi bethathe ama decisions are right ngesikhathi esi right for impilo zabo, beyeke ukugembula. People are gambling. Leyo nto le mina ngahlala phansi yayizela yona, ngahlala phansi ngayifunda, I understand this if I can follow this, my life can be intact. You see, I will know why I do the things I do, and more importantly ukuthi how should I engage with life. Do I need to force things to happen, or do I need to prepare myself and wait? What do I need to do? Because I will never know whether to take this road or this road. What needs to guide me? Because I do not know. That's what human design is all about. So, if ungakali read the charts lakho, hamba uyenza, yabo, vele uyahola anytime soon. You cannot cry for 299 into okwazi ukudla lapha nezitolo zokudla within few minutes. Hamba Akashian Media .co.za, Akashian, mubhala nje Google lokho kuzozivelela. Uma ungayiqondi lonto le, ngibuze, ungayiqondi musa ukufuna ukwenza ngendlela yakho ngoba ngeke zizilunga izinto vele